Did you know that the internet can connect you to money, time, and information? Do you want to use the internet but you have your doubts? Well, follow these 5 easy steps to learn how to use the internet. Step 1. The World Wide Web. The internet is your information highway. On the internet, World Wide Web, or simply the web, you can visit sites to obtain information, watch videos, listen to music, communicate with other people, stay informed, and much more. Step 2. Browser. The browser allows you to view web pages that can have text, images, and videos. There are different browsers like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. Internet Explorer is the most common browser and is pre-installed in new computers. Choosing a specific browser depends on the preferences of each person. Step 3. Aspects of the browser. When you open your browser, at the top of the page you'll notice a menu bar, a navigation bar, and an address bar. With the menu bar, you can change the configuration of your browser. With the navigation bar, you can navigate to different websites. The address bar is where you write the address of the page you want to visit. Step 4. Explore a web page. The URL is the address of a website. The URL appears in the address bar of your browser. For example, www.laopinion.com/Club Digital is the URL of Club Digital. Now write the address of a web page URL in the address bar and click Go or Enter to explore. For example, write www.laopinion.com/Club Digital in the address bar to visit Club Digital. Step 5. What benefits does the internet offer you? Did you know that you can save up to $7,200 thanks to broadband internet, including offers and special opportunities? Internet saves you time and money. You can search for and request employment, educational opportunities, and connect with friends and family. And it's all free.